child actor. I did a couple of films as a child. That's more because my family was in the business.
Was in the business.
And they didn't want to pay another actor for a child role, they used to take me.
But that means that you were immersed. You were immersed in the industry from
Well, I was immersed in a different way, not as an actor. But I grew up with films being made around me. And as a child, I've always loved stories. And the time that I'm using to get ready, that's the time I'm using to get into the head of the character. And then through the day, if I'm able to, you see, when you're giving a shot, you have, for me, the ideal state to be in, mental state to be in when I'm giving a shot is kind of semi-conscious. I'm conscious enough to know the instructions the director has given. I'm conscious enough to remember my lines. But I have to lose myself in the moment if the shot has to come out really well.